Guys, in this video what I'm going to be doing, I got a 2009 Chevrolet Cobalt here, and this center console piece has broken, so I figured I'll show you a video changing that out. You could also use this video for how to install one of these options. These didn't necessarily come from the factory, they were like a dealer option you could install, and they replaced the original cup holder assembly with this plus a modified one. So what I've got here is I've got a replacement one that I took off a salvage vehicle. It was a wrecked vehicle, but this particular piece is in really great shape. And we're just going to swap this out and put this in. So, set this guy down here for a second. You're only going to need one particular type of tool here, which is a 10mm ratchet. The first thing you're going to do to get access to those screws are this cup holder piece just kind of snaps out. Get one side out, the other side comes out pretty easy. Got these little clips that hold it in. There are 3 of them. And then these are the 2 10mm bolts that we're after. Twist them up so we can finish them off by hand. Only 2. And then the way this guy is held in is at the front of this metal base bracket. I'll show you on the replacement one. There's a couple of tabs. They got a raised indentation, and they're going to slide in. So when we take this out with the screws, we're going to kind of lift up on it and pull it back towards us. So be careful with these parts when you're working on it so you don't damage the upholstery on the seat. So I'm just going to lift up. And just, they go right under here. You just have to kind of unsnap them. Alright, so set this guy aside. Again, you know, if you got stuff inside of it, you're going to want to take it out first. Take the replacement one. Line it up. Almost had it. So what you're trying to do is just get it past these little pieces that hold the clips for the cup holder. Then we're just going to try to slide. So once you get it past there, it should slide right in one force move. I'm just making sure that's the case. And we're just going to replace these 10mm bolts. There's no particular torque value on these that you can find in the assembly service manual, rather. So I just recommend you just get it nice and tight. This is metal on metal, so nothing's going to break. You're just going to have to torque it down by hand. Just like that. You're having to put a lot of force to tighten it up, and it should be fine. Same thing with this side. Now when you pull one of these at a salvage yard, you know, maybe you're replacing what I'm doing here with the cracked side, problem with the hinge. It could also just be that you want to get the top cover off. Let me just finish this guy up here. Okay. And we'll put the cup holder back in. Snap it back in. This job is basically done. What I was going to show you though, we'll pull this all the way up. You can just remove the door if that's the problem here. There's just a couple of Phillips screws, and so if the problem is that your door is just not in good shape and you want to take it off of a donor vehicle, you could do that too. You can replace this. Same with the hinge. Sometimes it gets corroded. You can find a replacement. 2 Phillips here, 2 Phillips here, and you can swap out the hinge. GM doesn't make any of these parts. This whole thing was only sold as an assembly, so any parts you wanted to get, you're going to have to salvage. Anyway, I hope this helps you out. If you found it was useful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.